Agitations. It is too late for Nigeria to break up, says Ambassador Kwande. Those angling for the breakup of Nigeria have been told their agitations are coming too late. The statement was made by an elder statesman, Ambassador Yahya Kwande, who is 91 years old. Kwande is also a former Nigerian ambassador to Switzerland and the co-chairman of the Northern Elders Forum. Elder statesman Ambassador Yahya Kwande has declared that it is too late for Nigeria to break up as a country. Kwande, who is also a co-chairman of the Northern Elders Forum, made the comment in an exclusive interview with the Nigerian Tribune newspapers. Ambassador Kwande said it is too late for the Nigerian to break up as a country. The former ambassador to Switzerland said, "We are all one. It is too late for us to begin to take scissors to cut the country. How are you going to cut it? Half of my city in Jos is dominated by Igbo, and we are very happy because they are developing the city. New buildings are springing up." Well, what you are saying, you have a point there, but does some people understand what Ambassador Kwande is talking about? Now, we are no longer talking about tribes. It seems that people did not understand the new development that is ravaging Nigeria. Now, what happened is this. Like Ambassador Kwande that is speaking this way, have you not remembered when President Muhammad Buhari came up and said that every state should give a portion of land to Fulani herdsmen to occupy or to settle, and he called the program Ruga. And on this point, the most of the state governors and the state government, they refused the order, and now President Muhammad Buhari has ordered the Fulani herdsmen to begin to break, that is, and intrude into the land and settle there by force. That is what causes all this uprising and criminal activities in the land. Now, for example, if you are in your house and an intruder comes, what will you do? You will stand up to defend yourself. So the southeast, south, and southwest, they are defending themselves from the Fulani herdsmen destroying their land and their properties. So at this point in time, what causes some tribes in Nigeria to make the comment that they need disintegration? Some Igbo say they need referendum, of which the Nigerian government has not given ear to all these things, but rather is to use an army to chase them about, and that will not solve the problem. Because in a developing country, if such a situation rises up, I think the government will dialogue with the people, call meeting, and try to know their grievances, so that at the end of the day, if they can be settled and come at the same line and begin to operate and bring peace to the country in general, that will be made. But right now, government does not do so. That's why I earlier said using police and army to chase people will not solve the trouble of Nigeria. But what will solve the trouble of Nigeria is to dialogue with the people. Right now, to say that for Nigeria to separate, it is too late. How do you know it is too late? When is the best time to separate? Tell us, when is the best time? Is it in the future or in this present time, where the administration of Muhammad Buhari is a wicked administration? It's an administration that no human being, it's an administration that does not have pity, an administration that has placed the Fulani herdsmen over another tribes. Fulani herdsmen are strangers that came to Nigeria, I mean, couple of decades ago, but today they have gained ground in Nigeria, and they say Nigeria is their own country. What of the people that occupied, the original people of the land? What do you expect them to do? So I am expecting you, the elder statesman, as you are speaking, to speak to President Muhammad Buhari to come down and do the necessary thing. It is because the necessary things were not done. That is why the situation of Nigeria has gotten out of hand. If you are saying that separation at this time is too late, okay, why are they deploying security measures to the southeast right now? What do you have to say about that? Okay, who organized the gunmen? Who organized the kidnappers? Who organized every other evil things that is going on? Is it not the government? Who organized the sect that are marginalizing and victimizing people? Who organized them? The government. So people are not speaking the truth. Rather, they continue to beat around the bush. Is because they are gaining something from this present government. That is why they do not want to speak against it. But I tell you, on daily basis, people are dying, of which in time to come, Nigeria will be empty and there will be no people for President Muhammadu Buhari to rule.